We write this in 3 paragraphs. There is a title, and then you start the speech. So when you start the speech, you write, "Good morning, respected principal ma'am, honorable teachers, and my dear friends." Okay, so you greet everyone, you wish everyone, and then you say that I, your name, section, would like to speak on the topic. Okay, write this down. Good morning, respected principal ma'am, honorable teachers, and my dear friends. Okay. Today, good morning, respected principal ma'am, honorable teachers, and my dear friends. Okay. So you have to greet everyone, and it is up to you how you do that. Good morning, ma'am. Today, your name, and then section, would like to speak on the topic. Would like to speak on the topic. Topic, and then you write the topic name, and then you start with the speech. Okay. Now, the first para would be your introduction. Okay. In this, you will be introducing the topic. Okay. The first para will be your introduction. Second para will be your advantages or disadvantages, or you can say merits or demerits of the topic. Basically, in the second para, there will be a detailed discussion on the topic. Okay. And then in the third paragraph, you will conclude with your opinion. You will conclude with your opinion. Is that clear? Okay. Sorry. And your opinion. You will conclude with your opinion. So, like for example, there is a topic in which you have to tell. Basically, the topic is online exams. So you have to give a speech on online exams. Okay, just an example. So Wi-Fi here. Yeah. So in the first para, you started by introducing the topic that nowadays, since the pandemic, we have been indulged in online exams and all. Okay, we've been attending the exams online. So first para, you gave the introduction. Second para, you gave merits or demerits or both. Okay, and then in the third paragraph, you will conclude. So in conclusion, that online exam is beneficial or not beneficial, you will give your opinion. What you think is there. Clear? Should we write one sample and then we'll discuss some questions of the address? Okay? Everyone, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We'll write one sample speech and then we'll be discussing the address question. Okay, write the question. The increasing amount of, write the question everyone. The increasing amount of time spent playing indoor games, the increasing amount of time spent playing indoor games, has been a major cause सॉरी मैम।
इंग्लिश क्लास आपके साथ अटैच नहीं था?
नो मैम, मेरे को तो कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन मिली नहीं।
आज मॉर्निंग में मैं आपको क्या बोल रही थी?
मुझे कुछ नहीं बोला मैम। मुझे आपने फिजिकल एजुकेशन का पूछा था। आपने
फिजिकल एजुकेशन पीरियड में आप क्या इंग्लिश लिए थे? आप फर्स्ट पीरियड ले लिए क्या?
मैम फर्स्ट पीरियड फिजिकल एजुकेशन होता है।
मैं सोची थी आपने ग्रुप मेरे पास आपने मैसेज भेजे थे ना।
हाँ फर्स्ट पीरियड के लिए मैम।
फर्स्ट पीरियड के लिए
फर्स्ट पीरियड फिजिकल एजुकेशन सबका ना साथ में होता है। तो 11C, D, E, 11B का भी एक स्टूडेंट आया हुआ था फिजिकल एजुकेशन में। आई डोंट नो मैम, आई डोंट टीच इन 11th B। मैं नहीं पढ़ाती, सोनिया मैम पढ़ाती है।
फिजिकल एजुकेशन का भेजे थे उसके नहीं था?
नहीं, तो फर्स्ट रघु सर विल बी टेकिंग द
चार बच्चे तो गए होंगे ना 11th।
एक बच्चा आया था मैम। मैं 2-3 बार आई थी, तब थे ही नहीं बच्चे, सिर्फ 2 बच्चे थे वन स्टूडेंट के। Yes, has caused a major disappearance, has been a major cause of decreasing, has been a major cause of decreasing the outdoor appearance, has been a major cause of decreasing the outdoor appearance of children. Outdoor appearance of children. With this concern, write a speech in 150 to 200 words for the morning assembly. For the morning assembly. Okay? Okay. Start writing the speech. You have 10 minutes. Okay? Everyone here also write the speech and send me the picture. Yes. You have to write, no date, nothing. Just the topic, your name, like the topic. Okay? And a byline, like by your name. And then we start. So basically, you need to talk about how the indoor games are causing harm to the children.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the question? Your voice was cracked.
Write the question. The increasing amount of time spent playing indoor games has been a major cause of decreasing the amount of outdoor appearance of children. With this concern, write a speech.
Ma'am, someone just removed me from the meeting.
Wait, I'll change the setting.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, due to connection, I just joined the meeting. So can you repeat again the topic?
We are writing a speech on basic that is causing a decrease in outdoor appearance of children because of games in indoor games.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, I've made everyone an attendee. Do you think title should be something else, not increasing indoors? What can it be? Suitable topic is very.
Ma'am, please make everyone as an attendee.
I have done that. I've done that.
No, ma'am.
Yeah, I've done. Wait.
There are still some students who are up to presenters.
Done. This. Okay. Good morning, respected principal. PAL. Good ma'am, honorable teachers, and my dear friends. Friends, today I Rishabh of class 11A. You forgot your own section. I'd like to speak on the topic indoor gaming. This should match, okay? Indoor games are children have gradually increased after online wave, right after COVID, because of lockdown. This has become a major cause of children's health because of no physical activities. Okay, continue. When you are, since you're writing in favor, make sure to write the benefits of outdoor games also. Okay, to support your point. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
including good morning part, the entire speech. Should I help? Indoor games or online games industry is becoming of high rate graduate. I think. Indoor games or online games our industry is gradually increasing. Gradually increasing. And it's becoming a job for many people. But outdoor games has its own benefits, okay, and also very important in terms of mental and physical health. First, write the benefits of outdoor games. It increases our physical endurance. It keeps us fit. It keeps us healthy. While indoor games just makes our eyesight weak. Yeah, it makes us an addict towards the internet, towards the online world. We have many examples, and since last 2 years also, because of COVID, there are so many games that have been, rising because of the lockdown and everything. This PUBG, Call of Duty, all of these games. Sorry? BGMI. For entertainment purpose of children. Children is already plural. Children, kids. No. Same thing. Children, adults, you can write. Children, teenagers, and all age groups of people. There are online games present on mobile phones. They could increase in the interest of people in indoor lagging behind. Outside games. Written. 11D, हाँ. 656 students are there.
मेरे वाले भी ले जाना लास्ट पीरियड
11th B.
बिकॉज अभी ले ले रही हूँ 11 का अटेंडेंस लगा दूंगा
दोबारा क्लास है आपकी.
बोल रही है लेकिन मेरा 12th में है आई कांट कंबाइन एवरीथिंग टुगेदर
या
11th का होता तो मैं इकट्ठे बिठा लेती 12th और 11th थोड़ा
ठीक है, मैं 11th की ले जाऊंगी वहाँ पे. कितने स्टूडेंट्स हैं यहाँ पे?
मैम इसमें आज की अटेंडेंस नहीं लगी है मैम आप लगा दो
मैं लगा दूंगी.
ये पता नहीं किसी को साथ काट किया आज आप इधर एजेंट डाल के
हाँ, इधर ही कर दूंगी.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
For confirmation, I have joined the class just now. I want to ask that the debate topic against corruption-free India or against the corruption?
Against the corruption-free India. So basically, in that, but what when you have to say against, right? So you have to write very good points stating that it is not possible for a country to be entirely corruption-free. Okay, it is not possible. Do you think it's possible, Bhavya? Do you think it's possible that we make a country entirely corruption-free?
No, ma'am.
Because some kind of corruption will be there. So you have to basically evolve your debate around that point. Okay? And
So,
then,
ma'am, majorly we have to support corruption.
not support, you have to give the points that where the corruption is happening by, okay, so basically, see, when you really look a bigger, like for example, in a hospital, okay, when someone is risking their life, when someone's life is on the line, and he or she can't get a room in a hospital, okay, and he gives money to someone to save his or her life, okay, that is also basically corruption, but that saved that person's life, okay. So you have to look at a bigger picture and really think about it.
Yes, ma'am. Understood, ma'am.
Speaking against, now Bhavya Bhardwaj, yeah, you have the topic for speaking against, right?
Ma'am, we both are in the same team, right? Yes. Ma'am, you said the against one will be from the another section.
That was changed. That's why I texted you last, like yesterday. Yesterday morning I texted you your that. One is speaking for and one is speaking against.
Ma'am, I guess I have been given against one, against the motion.
Bhardwaj. You must be having for. Wait, I'll check. I have sent the topic on WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am. I've got the for the motion. Actually, I didn't read that completely.
Bhavya Bhardwaj is for the motion, Bhavya Mishra is against. Yeah? So both of you can send me your debate before Monday so that I can have a look. And if you want any more ideas, okay, you can ask me.
Ma'am, how long the debate should be?
2 minutes, okay, 2 to 3 minutes is okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Done? Very good. Very good. Writing the conclusion. Write the conclusion now. Okay, now I'll be asking question answer. Okay, first attendance. Today is 8th, right? Has someone already taken your attendance?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we have had
Yeah, this is already done then.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you check for my name, Siddharth?
Yeah, you've been marked present.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Question answer. Address. Okay. I'll be giving the options also. Raise your hands, okay? How did Mrs. Darling, listen to the question very carefully. How did Mrs. Darling treat the author when the author visited her? Okay. Option number 1, warm and welcoming. Option number 2, cold and inhospitable. Option number 3, overjoyed. Option number D, both A and C.
Ma'am, B part.
B part, cold and inhospitable.
Cold and hostile.
Hospitable, okay. Her face gave absolutely no sign of recognition. Her face gave absolutely no sign of recognition. Who is her? Option A, Mrs. S.
Darling.
Option B, Mrs. Darling's daughter. Option C, Mrs. Darling. Option D, Mrs. S's daughter.
Mrs. Darling.
Mrs. Darling.
Option B. Option C, Mrs. Darling. Very good. Next. In what attire did the author find Mrs. Darling? In what attire did the author find Mrs. Darling? Option number A, author's mother's green knitted cardigan. Option number B, author's green knitted cardigan. Option C, author is unable to recognize it. Option D, not mentioned in the story.
A part.
Option A. Okay. Next. I thought that no one had come back. No one had come back. Why does Mrs. Darling say this? Option A, because she was happy to see the protagonist. Option B, because she had been waiting for the protagonist for a long time. Option C, because she thought everyone in the protagonist's family were dead. Option D, none of the above.
Ma'am, C option.
Very good. Next, very easy. What was the address that the author's mother asked her to remember? Option A, number 50 Marconi Street. B, number 46 Baker Street. Option C, number 54 Marconi Street. Option D, number 46 Marconi Street.
I'm number 46 Marconi Street.
Very good. D, number 46 Marconi Street. Yeah. Okay. Next question. Mrs. Darling took the possessions of the things on the pretense of. Mrs. Darling took the possessions of the things on the pretense of. Option A, using them. Option B, selling them. Option C, keeping them safe. Option D, both A and B.
Option C.
Option C, keeping them safe. Very good. Why did the author wait? दीदी क्या हो रखी है ऑलरेडी अटेंडेंस हो रखी है देखो 8 तारीख की तो लग चुकी अटेंडेंस
उसका यहीं छोड़ के चले गए
हाँ next why did the author wait for such a long time before visiting the address? Why did the author wait for such a long time before visiting the address? Option number A, because she was not interested. Option B, because she was afraid to confront her mother's belongings. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above.
Ma'am, option B.
Option B.
Because she was afraid to confront her mother's son. Very good, all of you. Okay. Who opened the door upon the author's second visit to Mrs. Dalling's house? Mrs. Dalling's house. Very good. Okay. Unlike Mrs. Dalling, her daughter was dashed towards the author. A, rude. B, mature. C, hospitable. D, mean.
C.
Hospitable. Mature. Rude, mature, hospitable, mean. Hospitable. That's the correct answer. What was the protagonist's reaction when she entered the living room? What was the protagonist's reaction when she entered the living room? Thrilled, emotional, nervous, horrified. It is written in the book, the same line, okay, that I was horrified. Very good. Next question. I was in a room I knew and did not know. Okay, the line is, I was in a room I knew and did not know. What does the author mean by this? Okay. A, she saw familiar things but in unfamiliar settings. She saw unfamiliar things but in familiar surroundings. Option C, she did not recognize the things she saw. Fourth, she did not want to remember anything.
Ma'am,
The author remembered that the woolen tablecloth had the woolen. Very good. Please listen to the options also. An ink mark, a defect, a burn mark, none of the above.
A burn mark.
Very good. What was the silver that the author was once? Just a second. There's no teacher in 11th C. यहाँ कोई टीचर नहीं है.
मैथ की क्लास है ना यहाँ पे.
नहीं यहाँ पे 11
यहीं पे आएंगी बस. इनकी मैथ की
अभी
क्लास
तो 15 मिनट है ना.
क्लास है ना. हाँ अभी 15 मिनट है ना.
हाँ.
15 मिनट बाद आएंगे.
तो यहाँ पे
बच्चे यहाँ आएंगे. अब
है ना अभी. हाँ. Okay. What was the silver that the author was once asked to clean by her mother? What is it called? Jewelry, cutlery, sculpture, stones. Cutlery. Very good. Very, very good. Next question. Why did the author leave Mrs. Dalling in a hurry? Why did the author leave Mrs. Dalling in a hurry? A, because she was getting late for the train. Because she no longer wanted to stay there. C, both A and B. Fourth, none of
Ma'am,
the
please
above.
repeat the question.
and B.
Okay, so the question is, why did the author leave Mrs. Dalling in a hurry?
Option B.
Okay, I am hearing three answers, A, B, and C.
B.
Answer is?
B.
I'm hearing three answers. So the answer is both A and B. Because she was getting late for the train, she says this. She says that I'm getting late for the train. Because she no longer wanted to stay there, that's an assumption that she doesn't want to stay there for longer. So both A and B. Okay. Why did the objects lose their value for the author? Why did the objects lose their value for the author? First, because their prices fell down, because they were difficult to take along, because she had new objects, Because she saw them in different surroundings. Very good. The author had come to visit Mrs. Darling, dash the war. The author had come to visit Mrs. Darling, dash the war. During the war, before the war, after the war, not mentioned in the story. After the war. Who is the author of the address? Should I give options? Menin Uphoff, Marga Minko, married Marga Minko. After reading the address, how would you describe Mrs. Darling? Materialistic, selfish, opportunist, all of the above.
All of the above.
All of the above.
That's it for the address. Any doubt in the chapter, the address? Make sure you are learning each and every detail of the chapter. Okay? What are the things that she found in the house? What things were kept where? Okay? What did she recognize first? What did she recognize first in the entire chapter?
Cardigan.
The green knitted cardigan. Okay? So these are very small details that you need to remember when you are attempting the MCQ. Okay. Write a question for
I sent you speech.
Shika. Write the question for speech as a homework. Just a second. Okay. You are Navneet. You are Navneet, comma, a member of school literacy, a member of school literacy club, a member of school literacy club, comma, which has organized literacy classes, which has organized literacy classes in villages and city slums, in villages and city slums. Should I repeat? You are Navneet, a member of school literacy club, which has organized literacy classes in villages and city slums, slums, S-L-U-M-S, slums, under the adult education program, under the adult education program, full stop, draft a speech in 150 to 200 words, draft a speech in 150 to 200 words, highlighting the importance of educating the illiterate. What is the difference between a literate person and an educated person? Who can tell me? A general question. What is the difference between an educated person and a literate person?
And literate means that they read and write. Education means actually.
Okay.
Ma'am, literate is any person who can write at the age of 7 in any of the languages he or she may speak.
Okay. Basically, a literate person is who knows how to read and write in a particular language. Okay. And an educated person is a person who has the knowledge, who owns a knowledge of a particular field. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And now in the next class, we'll be revising any particular chapter you want to select for revision, or should I choose?
Ma'am, discovered it.
In the next class, we'll be revising Discovering Truth. Read the chapter carefully, and I'll be asking questions. Discovering Truth. Okay. Syllabus is clear to all, right? Okay. Any doubt here?
No, ma'am.
सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में टर्म 2 में नहीं आएगा टर्म 1 में हाँ दिस इज योर टर्म 1 फाइनल एग्जाम
Ma'am, can you please tell the syllabus?
these are term 1 exam final exam for 9th and 11th these are the term 1 exam final term 1 then you will have term 2 final exam no term 2 English is completely different term 2 syllabus is different okay I sent a screenshot right term 1 and term 2 earlier it used to be that you have one end exam okay that exams used to matter the most. Now it has been divided into two, term 1 and term 2, and both of the exams matter equally. Yes. But 12th date sheet will come from the CBSE, 10th and 12th date sheet. Yeah.
Ma'am, can you please send the screenshot of the term 1 syllabus again?
I'll send it today. Okay. I'll be sending the screenshot. In that term 1 syllabus is also there, term 2 syllabus is also there. And then you have the marks also, the weightage of each chapter.
Okay, ma'am.
Grammar is coming for 4 marks. Yeah. Okay. Okay, you can leave the class now if there's no doubt. On Monday, be present for your activity. Okay. And the poster making students, you also be present. Okay. Make sure the poster is prepared by Monday. Okay. Bring it with
And I
you.
wanted to ask something.
Yes, Akansha.
Ma'am, what is the time limit for interview?
For the interview, I have, first of all, it will be online. It will be after school. Okay. After school as in around 1 or 1:30. Okay. And time limit, it should be 4 to 5 minutes. The interview of 2 students, including, should be of 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. So if you are taking an interview of someone, that person should ask you the questions also. Okay. So both of you should be like participating equally. No, not one should be passive. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. I'll see you on Monday now.
What is the making?
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, the interviews of factorial board were being conducted, so some students will look down.
Yes. You will attend the class. It will be only for 10 to 15 minutes, the entire activity. So I only have 4 students and 4 students and 2 pairs. So they'll take almost 10 to 12 minutes and that's it. But you have to attend the activity.
Ma'am, what
Okay.
about poster making?
Poster making, make it in this weekend, during this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, and bring it with you on Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay? Monday. Monday is the final activity. Yes. Physical education. Physical education is basically right now you're only having 4 classes in a day. That's why physical education is not included. Okay. I know. But it's optional, right? Yours is optional. Additional, no? So that's why basically we only have 4 periods in a day. And Aruni ma'am has to include all the main subjects. Okay? But still you can talk to Aruni ma'am once. Okay? Okay, that's it. You can leave now. Thank you. I'll see you all on Monday.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.